In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a vault in 1Password. So for this, you will need the family plan, and then from there, if you're using the desktop app, you can go ahead and go into vaults over here on the left, and right click on the vault you would like to share, and click on manage access. What this will do is it will basically open up the website over here, so the desktop app, and you may have to sign in as well. And then what's going to happen is you will see this exact page over here, and then on this page, you can see you can basically do all the actions and edit the details of this specific vault, and also you could share it by clicking share vault over here at the top right. And mind you, in case you don't have the desktop app, you could simply go to vaults over here on the left, and you can just go ahead and select the vault, and in here you can then share the vault as well. So click share vault, and then from here you basically have to select the person you want to give access. And then for example over here I just have myself. You can go ahead and then add emails, and people just add in their emails or people from your family, and then you can go ahead and set which access they have, so the permissions and stuff like that, or you can even remove them from the vault. And that's basically how you can share your vaults with family members and your friends. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.